You've been hearing a lot about the market shifting, cooling off. What's really happening? That's what we're going to talk about today, starting right now. Hey everybody, my name is Chris. I'm one of the guys on the team. Jessica will be back next week. So today we'll be looking at the July stats in Murrieta, Temecula, Menifee. And like I said, we've been hearing a lot about the market shifting, cooling. This is one of those things in real estate. It's sort of a group think phenomenon. And once everybody starts talking about it, perception becomes reality. So this is a good thing because stabilization would really help. We don't want to see these 10% increases each month. We're still seeing prices go up. I'll talk about that in a second, but we would love to just see a little bit more stability in the market. All right, let's talk about that pricing a little bit. Unfortunately, even though the market is shifting and cooling off a little bit, we're still not seeing that in the pricing yet. So let's look at our median sales price in Murrieta, Temecula, Menifee. Again, that's the median right in the middle, not the average, which can get skewed by the high or low, mostly the high-end transactions in there. So let's look at Murrieta. Median sales price in Murrieta, $625,000 versus $480,000. That's up that huge 30%. $515,000 versus $420,000 in Menifee is 23%. And Temecula, $668,000 versus $628,000 is 26.5%. Switching over to closed sales, we've got $225,000 versus $262,000 in Murrieta, $207,000 versus $230,000 in Menifee, and $207,000 versus $246,000 in Temecula, down 15%. Now all three of those cities are down year over year, but if you look back and you think about May and April of last year, that was right after the lockdown, so everything went on ice for a month or two, and that's it. And then from there it was just taking off like a rocket. So I'm not surprised we're down year over year. It'd be nice to see these start to approach each other year over year the next few months, and that's what I hope happens on that particular stat. Median days on market, I've got 6 versus 8, 6 versus 15, and 6 versus 8 in Temecula, down 25%. Now I was really parsing this out on the video last month, and I noticed it was ticking up, and I kind of hope another day would steadily tick on these, but we've got 666 mark of the beast on all three cities. I'll keep an eye on that one for future changes. All right, here's the inventory. This is where I've been studying the most these last couple market updates, last couple years really. But let me explain something new I'm doing right now. My market updates are monthly, so July versus July. Now listings though, this is a stat that gets wonky because of active versus hold and close and pending, all these different statuses. I've been looking at new listings more closely, and I've started to study week over week, and I've gathered data for the past 3 weeks. And I'm going to present this on another market update once I gather a little bit more data, but it's all good. I'm seeing it go in the right direction. So let's go over the July stats now. Number of listings in Murrieta, 252 versus 292, that's down 13.7 year over year. Menifee, 233 versus 233, that's not an error. I double and triple checked, but it's exactly even, so that's cool. 249 versus 263 in Temecula is down 5%. So in the stats last month, I added this chart where I show this slow ticking up. So here it is again with July added now. And like I said, next month I will parse this out even further into weeks and maybe even 3 days. Thanks for watching. Jessica will be back next week.
Might be a while.
Thanks
for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, kids.